And Fox 8's Morgan McKay joins us live from the Belmont section of the Bronx where Mamdani just spoke. Morgan.
Hey, Bianca, Natasha. So Zohran Mamdani was here in the Bronx standing with 1199 SEIU union workers to speak about the impact of federal health care cuts on hospitals like the one behind me, which primarily serves low-income residents. According to State Senator Gustavo Rivera, around 90% of patients at this hospital are on Medicaid, which means if there are these federal cuts to health care, this hospital is at risk of losing critical funding. Mamdani says that if elected, he would advocate for other ways to find the funding for safety net hospitals, such as relying on increased taxes on millionaires and corporations, facilitating public health bonds, and more. When asked if Senate Minority Leader Chuck Schumer and House Minority Leader Hakeem Jeffries are doing enough to fight back against the cuts, Mamdani says he's appreciative of their work. But U.S. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent on Fox this morning warned that if Mamdani is elected, the federal government won't step in if there are funding gaps.
New York City will be coming to the federal government for a bailout if the Mamdani plans are implemented.
And are you going to give him that bailout?
It will be the same thing that Gerald Ford said. Drop dead.
Meanwhile, Republican nominee Curtis Lewa says he has received 7 offers so far from people trying to get him to drop out of the mayoral race. And Lewa says they've offered him millions of dollars, which he has turned down, insisting he's in the race until the end. Mamdani asked if he believes Lewa, says yes, once again highlighting that this race isn't for sale.
I can tell you that of Andrew Cuomo, Eric Adams, and Curtis Lewa, I trust Curtis Lewa's word the most. And I think it speaks to the fact that New Yorkers deserve to make their own decision as to who should lead this city.
I don't trust the politicians, and I don't trust the billionaires. So let me put you all on blast. You call me, you try to bribe me. First of all, it's unethical, it's illegal. I will tape your conversations. I will report it to the proper authorities.
Cuomo and Mayor Eric Adams didn't hold any public campaign events today. Adams' team tells me that he's going to be taking the week off. He hasn't held campaign events in the last 5 days, but his team says this week he's going to be taking the week off to meet with dignitaries during UN week. Reporting live, I'm Morgan McKay. Bianca, Natasha, back to you.